Hello viewers, a very warm welcome to all of you. This video is specially made for the students of class 10 subject English. It will help the students immensely from the exam point of view because in this video I'm going to discuss chapter wise value points from your first flight book. The values which I'm going to discuss today is from the poetry section. The prose sections I already discussed in my earlier video. If you haven't watched it, please do so, because these values which I am sharing with you all will help you to attempt the questions, value-based questions, which comes in the exam of 8 marks. You can use these values while writing the answers, but don't forget to give a reference to the story, example from the story based on which you are asked the value-based questions. So without any further delay, let me first discuss the first poem, and the first poem is The Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The values of the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost from the First Flight book. The values which we learn from the poem are communication between nature and humans. Many elements in nature offer us great lessons of life. Things, people considered negative, that is dark, depressive, bitter, etc., becomes the reason or the source of positivity. Nature offers a healing touch to mankind. The values of the next poem by Robert Frost, Fire and Ice, are: it's a high time we become aware of the natural occurrences around and think about it. Strong emotions like hatred and desires could be the reason for the destruction of the entire humanity. Introspect yourself and control your emotions. Accomplishing one's desires, aim, or goal should not be at the cost of others. One must learn to spread love, peace, and brotherhood. Poem number 3, A Tiger in the Zoo. The values are importance of freedom. Destruction of the natural habitat is a great loss for all. Dangers of deforestation. Keeping the animals in captivity hinders their natural instincts. Inhuman behavior towards animal must be avoided. The values of how to tell wild animals are: wild animals are dangerous. Appearances can be deceptive. Learn to identify the behavioral approach of others. Animals teach humans many life lessons. Poem number 5, The Ball Poem, First Flight book. The values are: life is precious and should not be wasted. Life has to be lived with a purpose. Life can be fruitfully lived only when we stand up and come out of depression. Life must move on. Never look into the past to regret what have fond memories to consider a loss that changed the course of one's life. And also we must understand the epistemology of loss, that loss is a part of life and we have to accept the reality. Values of the poem Amanda are: freedom is the breath of life. Gestures done day in and day out become habits, so keep a check on your actions. Parents and elders are our well-wishers. Be receptive to corrections. Continuous harassment and dominance can lead to disobedience and hatred. Escapism is one way to run away from the harsh realities. Name of the poem is Animals, and the values of this poem are: animals do teach humans many life lessons. Be happy and contented in life. Leave your status, your complexes, and treat everyone equally. Introspect your deeds and words. Practice what you preach. Don't be obsessed of materialistic possessions. Try to live a virtuous life. The values which the poem The Trees teaches us are: the poem has a symbolic meaning. The trees are an extended metaphor for women. The poet says that the women have rested, healed, and recovered and are ready for their primary purpose, to renew the empty forest of mankind. The poet has also laid emphasis on the recklessness use of nature and the destruction of forest. Living in strong harmony with nature, man needs to be closer to nature and not far from it. The values which the poem Fog teaches us are: elements of nature have a great impact on humans. Fog encourages us to have a keen observation on nature. Use of metaphoric language. The fog, because of its power and mystery, remains elusive to those wishing to break through its impenetrable walls. The values of the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon are: sometimes the timid person is the actual hero in the toughest situations of life. Sometimes the people who boast so much about themselves turn to utter failure in difficult moments of life. Adversity helps you scrutinize your friends and well wishers. The last poem of the book First Flight for Anne Gregory are: appearances can be deceptive. Do not judge a book by its cover. People are not objects. They should be loved and valued for being themselves. God's love is unconditional and infinite. With this, we come to an end to the value points of the poems of your First Flight book. I'm sure it will help you definitely in attempting the answers in the exam. Please do make use of it. It will help you to score marks in the exam. Use these values while writing the answers. And do watch my next video where I'll be uploading the value points chapter wise of your supplementary reader, that is Footprint Without Feet. Until then, goodbye and take care. Keep smiling. Bye.